Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you're fine and safe at your homes. My name is Farhan Faisal Sheikh. I am lecturer in Fine Arts, Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. My specialization is graphic design. I'm going to teach you the most important subject, communication design. The course code of this subject, Fine 3120, BFA Honors, 6th semester, session 2017-21. Lecture number 28, Graphic Design Agencies and their work, which is very important for every student of graphic design to know about the graphic design agencies and their work. Saffron Brand Consultants, based in Madrid. Saffron Brand Consultants' approach to help transform brand and business with the clarity of rigorous thinking and the courage of bold ideas. Started back in 2001, the firm has climbed its way to the top by embracing globalization and the potential of emerging markets. Its headquarters, Madrid, locations, Istanbul, London, Mumbai, and Vienna. Notable clients, Coca-Cola, Fujitsu, Goldman Sachs, Proximus, the Institute of Cancer Research, Rostelecom, Festival, VFestival, YouTube, brand philosophy, create, grow, adopt, transform. Can see their great work. Interesting, eye-catching, creative, color combination, the use of picture and typography, illustration of fish. Another famous graphic design agency, Anagram, a self-proclaimed brand intelligence group. Anagram is an international advertising agency and brand architecture and software firm with a stellar track record and a successful wide-ranging client to match. The company is driven by togetherness, creativity, and a deadline-oriented workflow process. Essentially, it's a winning beyond of free-spirited art and rational thinking. Its headquarters, Monterrey, Mexico, locations, Mexico City and Tokyo. Notable clients, Conatre Library, Infamous, Redberry, Celebrity, Tequila, Deloche, Wintermilk. Services offered, architecture, brand strategy, interior design, print and digital design, software services, web design and development. Their prestigious work, their designs, packaging, bottles, they all are very interesting. Studio Denver. Since 1977, Studio Denver has created meaningful brands from strategy to reality. What makes this firm unique is that it's part of a larger organization department which is home to 750 experts in digital media. Talk about connections. Headquarters, Rotterdam. Notable clients, Big Mile, Chelsea, Nike, Megastore, Cities in Motion, Demo Festival, Dutch National Police, European Design Festival, Hong Kong, Polytechnic University, Transavia, Van Gogh Museum, VBMS, specialities, brand strategies, and visual identity. Very important specialities. The great work designed by this graphic design agency, Van Gogh and Japan. Illustration. A practice for everyday life. In the famous graphic design agency, a practice for everyday life has built their reputation on solid business relationships with the like-minded clients. They focus on concepts, making sure every design is unique and meaningful. Their scope of work includes art directions, identities, publications, exhibitions, type design, signage, packaging, etc. Its headquarters, London, notable clients, Eiffel, Art on the Underground, Australia Centre for Contemporary Arts, Korean Culture Centres, UK, London College of Fashion, Manchester School of Art, Modern Art, Oxford Performer, Tate, areas of expertise, art direction, brand identity, digital design, exhibitions, packaging, publications, signage, typography, etc. The work designed by this advertising agency. Fire Art Studio or at graphic design agency. Warsaw-based Fire Art Studio prides itself on its diverse clientele, which ranges from startups to the world's leading brands. In addition to important clients, they have a big fan following to back it up. Their Dribble page sees over 12K daily visitors. Headquarters, Warsaw. Notable clients, Tupac, Atlassian, Cordio, Google, Radial Hub, Swipex, Swisscom, WinRAR. Services offered brand identity, development, motion design, product design, etc. Interesting design of WinRAR. The caption, package everything you learn. Color combination, illustration. This is a web page interface. Quite interesting and creative. Spen. Spen is all about bringing elegant and clean ideas to a wide range of sectors, including arts, communication, broadcast, designs, electronics, and entertainment. They also pride themselves on their proactive responses to creative briefs, which include in-depth background research on their clients and even workshops with targets demographics if necessary. Its headquarters in London. Notable clients, Apple, BBC, Channel 4, Collect Craft Council, D&AD, Design Museum, Google Jigsaw, Hewlett Packard, Meta Ministry of Sound, Nike, Print Magazine, area of expertise, digital, print, and environmental design, etc. House Industries, one of the more famous typography companies in the world, surprisingly based in Delaware, named the Masters of Typography by Fast Company magazine. House Industries has created a plethora of gorgeous custom fonts which have been seen by millions of fashionistas, TV viewers, and concert audiences. Its headquarters, Yorkland, Delaware. Notable clients, agent, provocateur, design, within reach, Herman Miller, Hermes, Jimmy Kimmel Live, MTV, Target, The Shared Show, The New Yorker, Uniqlo. Areas of expertise, drawing, font creation, lettering, painting, etc. The interesting work you can see over here. Social design. Social design is famed for their minimal and reductive style, which allows clients to turn their brands into cross-culture assets. In other words, their designs have a universal feel to them, which appeals to many regions of the globe. This global approach has allowed social designs to reach further than most graphic design studios, and it's what has helped develop their international fame. Its headquarters in London, notable clients Biocaco, Capital Magazine, Kiosk Fashion, KE, Mashpint, Nokia, Rambling, Muse, Sonos, Store, Trace Magazine, Truth Consulting, Twice Fashion. Areas of expertise, brand identity, digital experiences, packaging solutions, etc. Interesting and inspiration work of this advertising agency. Packages, boxes, diaries, covers, all are creative, interesting. Keychains. Taboro is the Brooklyn based design due to David Heads of Texas and Stefan Fickler of Germany. Just because you have a small team doesn't mean you can't make a bigger splash. Their work is colorful, creative. It's also known for its high integrity and quality. Its headquarters in Brooklyn, notable clients AGA, BLK, GQ, The New York, Time Magazine, area of focus, publishing, art, fashion, music, lifestyle, cultural art, etc. Their interesting design only is a strategy and design consultancy that has won awards at Hyatt and Bima events. They are focused on connecting brands to people by creating designs with further strengths the client's customer connection. Its headquarters Leeds. Notable clients British Interactive Media Association, Design for Europe, Sony Music, etc. Design philosophy, simple is powerful. Their interesting design, a visual, can see the combination of typography and visual. Other creative design of this advertising agency, the combination of visuals and typography is too interesting and creative. My dear students, you can ask any question regarding this lecture from me without any hesitation. Thanks, take care, Allah Hafiz, and best of luck.